Everyone, and welcome to our third annual Ramadan Fanous lighting. I'd like to welcome everybody here and thank you for coming. And we're going to start with our Pledge of the Legion, and it's going to take us in Mr. Vin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, sir. This is not going to be a long speech. It's going to be nice, short, and sweet. And I'm going to give the mic right now to our mayor, Mr. Keith Kazmar.
Thank you, Rayed. Good afternoon, everyone. Ramadan Mubarak. I want to welcome everyone here to beautiful Dowling Park as we kick off the celebration of Ramadan this year. Last year, the year before, this celebration has continued to grow in our town. And today I'm very pleased to say that we even have folks from Little Falls and Totowa who have come to join our celebration to celebrate the beginning of Ramadan. I want to thank the Arab American Committee here in town for all the work that they do to unite your community and make sure that your voices are heard here in Woodland Park. So I want to thank Rayed, I want to thank Mesa, thank Karim, Adam. Woodland Park is a very special community. We are blessed to have diversity, that we can come together as a town, as a community, as community members to celebrate during so many celebrations that we hold here in Dowling Park. And it is my and the council's honor to have started the Ramadan celebration and the lighting of the Fanous. I am equally excited that we have many visitors who are with us today. First of all, I want to thank our council members for being here. We have former Councilman Joe Spinelli, Councilwoman Tina Gaddy, Councilman Sam Yordais Jr., Councilwoman Christine Tizio, Councilman Vinny DeCesar, Councilman Michael Sika, Council President Tracy Callard sends her regards for a happy Ramadan. She had a family celebration. She's celebrating a 95-year-old family member's birthday today. We have Under Sheriff Nara Pasha. We have our soon-to-be newest county commissioner, Orlando Cruz. We have Councilman Ramadan from the Borough of Haledon. We have former Councilman Adam Shabane. He's going to be back. We have Commissioner Fahim from the City of Clifton. And I want to introduce for some remarks a good friend of mine, a fellow mayor. We started this journey in politics and government together way back in 2001. My good friend, the mayor of Prospect Park, Mayor Mohammed Karul.
Thank you very much, Mayor. And yes, we did start. I got gray hairs, you got younger. So that's amazing. I lost some weight. Yes. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, first of all. Yes, Woodland Park is a special place because it has a special governing body that cares about everyone. So we thank the mayor, we thank the council, and also the Board of Education, who I know works well with the mayor and council as well. And I'm assuming this is normally the Christmas tree. And we have right next to it the Hilal. So this is the beauty of this community where all faith and people of different backgrounds come together to celebrate the differences. And the beauty in our cultures and religions is in the differences. So I want to thank you, Mayor, and I want to thank the council and everyone, and wish a Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Well, we have started in Passaic County. The first lighting of any crescent happened in Passaic County, in the Passaic County building. And now people are racing across the state, alhamdulillah, to light crescents to the point that in Bergen County this Ramadan there's going to be over 30 lightings of crescents or Fanous. So we started something special, and you are a special community here in Woodland Park in your unity. So I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you have a blessed Ramadan. تقبل الله صيامكم وقيامكم وصالح أعمالكم والسلام عليكم. جزاكم. Thank you.
To extend greetings from the County of Passaic, I do want to invite up our next Commissioner, Orlando Cruz.
Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. This is the prime example of the diversity in our county, all throughout all 16 municipalities, but starting right here in Woodland Park. So I would also like to extend my thanks and gratitudes to the mayor, the council, Mayor of Prospect Park. Thank you for all you do for all of your residents all across the board. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day, everyone.
Thank you, Orlando. Folks, on behalf of the council and the entire community, I want to wish you a blessed, prayerful, and reflective Ramadan season. Thank you for coming out today. Enjoy the festivities. We have food trucks here. We have refreshments over here around the tree. Enjoy this Ramadan season for you and your family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I just want to welcome a new member in our town. He just started a new dentist office, Dr. Ahmed Jahera. Please welcome him, and if anybody has any teeth problems, of course, you're going to go see him. And we're also going to cut the ribbon across the street in a little while. So enjoy yourselves and happy Ramadans and kul aam wa antum bkhair.
Guys, we're going to take a photo right over here.
He's coming in.
Are we good? I'm looking to make sure that's right in the middle.
What is this? This is for me in the car.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Again, we have a family picture taken for anybody who wants a family picture for Ramadan. It's right here on the right-hand side of the Fanous.
روحوا اعملوا صورة انتم، تعملوا الصورة. السلام عليكم. تعملوا الصورة انتم، ما تصوروش. أبى أصور كذا، ما تصوركم. كيف حالكم؟ ربي يطول عمرك إن شاء الله الحاجة. إن شاء الله. راكي منورة. عندك نور في وجهك، منورة الله يبارك.
الله ينور عليك يا
والله ما شاء الله، ربي يحفظك ويحفظك أولادك إن شاء الله.
الله يسلمك.
أنت قبل ما تغيريش أنت تاني، حتى أنت.
هذه يهمك؟
ها؟
يهمك؟
لا مش أمي أنا.
سلامات.
سلام
مرحبا يا
عليكم.
خالتي.
ما بيفتكر صوبه. بس الحمد لله. السلام عليكم. رمضان كريم ان شاء الله. صحيح.